Hey guys, it's me Sai. So today I am doing a review on this Amika Polish Perfection straightening brush. Now I have heard so much about these straightening brushes from infomercials to different brands, to a branded one, and there's a bunch of different brands out there. But I found this at the salon store, the salon store, and salon store, that's such a word. Is that even a word, you guys? But anyways, I found this at the beauty supply store. Okay, it was a great deal. Let me see what it retails at, and I'll put it somewhere up here on the screen. But we're gonna get right into this. We're gonna do an unboxing and a review, and I found my thickest wig to use it on to see if it really works. So let's get right into this. So when you get the box, it looks something like this. It says Polish Perfection Straightener Brush. I don't know how to read that. It's a single glide delivers sleek smooth hair. And this box is super cute, and you guys know I love pink stuff. I'm not gonna go over everything back of here, but I'm gonna let you guys know it has far infrared light. It has adjustable temperature up to 450 degrees. It heats up rapidly, it says, and it has a ceramic. You guys, I've always had a hard time pronouncing that. Bristle with cool tip. It has a digital LED screen and 60 minutes auto shut off, so that's really nice. The wire cord is 9 foot, which is amazing. I find that a lot of hot tools like this, like, they really skip out on the wires. Like, who's gonna be so close to their electrical outlet? You know what I mean? Temperature lock function, easy to style. So I'm loving that so far. So let's open this bad boy up. Let's say hi to Rocket too. He decided to jump away. Okay, so we're gonna unbox this. I'm sorry, you guys, so let me just rotate my hands real quick. Okay, so when you open up the box, it looks something like this. Okay, and you get this small little carrier pouch, which is super cute. And then inside of here you get these decals, which are really cute. I really love their little designs they have, like this skull and flower. So you can put this on like your station, your car bumper, who knows. I'm not really gonna use it. Not super sticker fan. Then we have, what is this? 10% off your next purchase, which is amazing. It has a 1-year warranty, and you probably have to register it on their website. So that's really cute. And then you get the manual that probably tells you everything. I'm not sure if I'm gonna read through that, which I should. Yeah, you guys, but let's get right into this. Let's see the tool itself. Okay, so I'm gonna slide that out. It came with the cover, which fell on the ground to protect this. But I actually opened up this earlier, and it had like a bunch of black hair on it. So salon centric, if you're watching this, like, are you even allowed to resell hot tools that have been used already? Which is kind of crazy, but I got it for a really good deal, so I'm not complaining. You can always like barbicide spray it or clean it to be to help it out. But you guys, it has been used, but obviously I'm gonna use it in this demo too. But it's fairly new. It has the digital buttons right here and the cord. So let's dive right into this. It had this swivel cord thingy. So let's dive right into this and see how it works. Guys, so I have my Amika brush plugged in. You guys can see the LED screen lights up red. So we're gonna turn her on, okay. And it's nice, she's heating up already. Alright, so we're gonna try 2 different ways. We are gonna do thick sections and see how strong the brush is, and we're gonna do thin sections because we know for a fact that most people that are gonna be using this will be using it on their own hair and not a wig. With this wig, I have more control where I have it on a stand, so I'm able to separate my extensions and make it sections and make it more clean versus someone that is doing it on themselves. They can't see the back of their head. So we are going to heat this baby up to 450 degrees, and then we'll try a different temperature on the other side. So let's get right into this. Alright guys, so I have my wig brushed out, and I'm gonna take my first swipe, my first brush. I don't know what you want to call it. I'm gonna start from the roots down. I'm pretty sure they have some type of hair tutorial on how to do this. And I wanted to pick my own personal wig. You guys know this is Golden Goddess in 30-inch. She is available on my website, which is www.sizestyle.com. Giving myself my own plug. So that's a very thin section. I would say this is probably a good 1/2 inch of a section, and it did really well on that section actually. So I'm pretty excited about it, and it feels you can feel the heat. I'm gonna do a very thick section. This is probably 1 inch to 1.5 inches, and let's see how she does on this. I kind of don't want to brush out my Beyonce curls, but we're doing it for demonstration purposes. So we're just gonna brush this out, and baby, this thing gets hot. We can see it. Hopefully it didn't damage my wig, you guys. So I'm just gonna go in and just swipe it, and honestly, you guys, it gets it at the first try. And this is wig hair, you know. This is very thick. This is almost 280 density wig. So the fact that it's getting through this thick section, and you know, you see it going through because, like, okay, you guys, that's just a single pass. So this is my wig on this side, okay, and then this is her on this side. You guys, sorry, I don't have much room to work with because my cat is right below this tripod, but you guys can see. Let me rotate her a little bit. Alright, you guys can see how flat I got that. Wow, so flat and smooth. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we know that it works well with that. So we're at 450 degrees, you guys. We're gonna bring it down to, let's bring it down to 350. So we'll wait for that to dry, and we'll section out our next section. And this one we'll do a thick section. We're testing how this thermal brush works on different density, because it's supposed to be convenient. So we want to be able to straighten our hair on the go, without worrying about what am I talking about? Without worrying about it taking too long. Okay. You guys can see that it's just one pass. It got really straight. And then let's try this one. I'm sorry, you guys. It's a cloudy day, so the lighting's not the greatest. So that's around 350. You guys can see 350. So it worked really well on that. And what's really nice about this is, if you want it to like keep some of the waves in your wig, you can go lower and it'll just remove some of the wave. Not all of it, you know. Like if I want it to keep a little bit of my loose wave, either I'll take a thicker section, like see how I just have a slight wave to that. If I want it all gone, obviously I'm going to turn up the heat or take a thinner section. So that is my review on that. Let's turn to the other side and see what we can come up on this side. Okay, so this is my curly side. You guys can see very textured, and this is the straightened side. Well, this one I did thicker section, but if you guys look underneath, look how flat I got it. So I'm already loving this tool, but let's see how this side works. Okay, so we're gonna take it down a notch a little bit more. So we're gonna do, let's do 250 degrees, and we wait for it to get down in temperature. So this is a very thin section I have right here. This is probably 1/2 inch. Sorry, you guys, I'm trying to section on the other side. It's really hard. So we have about a 1/2 inch section right there. So let's see if this works. And let's see if this works. You guys, this wig is like not liking this brush, first of all. So we know that this is you're able to touch this. Not saying you should touch it, but in case of an accident, you're not going to get burned. The heat is more inside, like deep inside. But let's see. So we're at 250 degrees. Let's see how she does. As you guys can see, she straightened the wig really, really well. I am shook, you guys. I have heard so much about these brushes, and I am here to tell you guys, it works. It works, okay? Obviously, it's not gonna be like super, super flat like a flat iron would get you, but if you are on the go and you cannot have a brush, honey, this is the way to go. And guess what? I got a surprise for you guys. I'm giving this one away. So let me tell you more about the details. Anyways, guys, bad luck ever. Same thing happened to me on my previous video, happened to this video. The audio somehow cuts off on the Sony a6000. I am starting to get annoyed with this video camera. I might as well use my phone, but I find that I get better quality using this phone. Hey, say hi to Rocket. Look at my baby. Oh, girl. He's licking himself. Anyways, you guys, I am giving this Amika brush away. I am blessing someone. How you would enter to win is, let me break this down right for you guys. So all you have to do is like this video, comment down below, YouTube fam, and then I'll make sure to write down your name for the raffle, and hopefully there's not a million entries and I don't end up having a hand crap like last time. And also make sure you follow my 2 accounts on Instagram, which is Sai Styles and Hair by Saifik Kosa, which I will link down below in the description, guys. And once you get to that, on those accounts, make sure you comment down below the post, YouTube fam, so I know you're coming from YouTube. And that's pretty much it. I will announce the winner. I'm gonna say November 1st. Okay, so I'm gonna give it some time, and hopefully everyone gets a chance to enter and win some goodies for your wigs, for your salon or whatever you're doing with this tool. And maybe I'll send you some more goodies along with that, like some styling products or nothing. I'm blessing you guys. Thank you guys for watching the review. Let me know down in the comments if you like reviews like this, because I definitely am a product junkie, tool junkie, and I love to let you guys know the latest and the greatest, even if I don't keep it for myself. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for the love and support, and have a blessed day, you guys. Bye!